Welcome to ArtMagic.
This beginner-friendly tutorial will guide kids through each stage of drawing and coloring their very own helicopter. Start by drawing a slightly curved horizontal line across your paper. This will be the helicopter's body. Now, draw two small rectangles on either side of the body for the landing skids. Add a larger circle above the body for the main rotor. Next, draw a horizontal line through the main rotor for the helicopter's tail rotor. It's coloring time. Use bright yellow for the body of the helicopter. Color the headlights with a shade of red. Color the tail rotor and landing skids with dark red. Add some gray to the tips of the main rotor blades. Finish off by adding some details like windows and lines for extra flair. Please share your home paintings, drawings, and coloring with me on my Facebook page, ArtMagic Drawings. Visit our page where you'll find numerous drawings available for printing and coloring.
By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.